Good noon, students. I am S.C. Bhardwaj from Bhardwaj Teaching Institute YouTube platform. Students, we discussed in last class concentration steps of solution and numerical based on concentration steps of solution. Today we will discuss also some important numericals about concentration steps in chapter solution, class 12, chemistry, CBSE board. Let's see another important numerical series for concentration steps of solution. Okay, students, next question is calculate the mass percentage calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetra chloride. Calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of CCl4. This is about mass percentage, students. Very important question for your upcoming examination and also for other competition exams also. Okay, students. Calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of CCl4. Now let's see solution for this question. Okay, first of all we discuss what is given in question. 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. That means this is a solute and this is a solvent in this question for solution, because solution is made up of two components here, that is binary solution, solute plus solvent. Okay, friends, let's see. First of all we discuss mass of solution. Mass of solution means mass of solute plus mass of solvent, because we know very well a solution is made up of solute plus solvent. Okay, next put the value. Mass of solute 22 grams plus mass of solvent 122 grams is giving 140 grams. This is the mass of solution in this question. Okay, now we calculate mass percentage of each, that means solute and solvent here. Now first of all we calculate mass percentage of benzene. mass percentage of benzene. Benzene C6H6. Okay, students. What is formula for mass percentage for benzene? Explained in previous lecture also. What formula for mass percentage? So that means mass of benzene upon mass of solution. Okay, and into 100 because indicate in percentage. Now put the value in this formula for calculate the mass percentage of benzene here. Next, mass of benzene 22 grams upon mass of solution 144 grams. Okay, into 100. 2200 upon 144. Okay, now we solve this equation. 2200 144. Okay, this is solved and calculate the answer. 15.28%. This is about the mass percentage of benzene in this solution. Next, mass percentage of CCl4, that means carbon tetrachloride. Mass of CCl4 upon mass of solution. Okay, into 100. Now also put the value for this question, for this formula. Mass of CCl4, that means 122 upon mass of solution, that means 144 into 100. 122 double time 0 upon 144. Okay, equal to, this is about mass percentage of CCl4. Now solve this equation. So this is 84.72%. This is about mass percentage of CCl4, and we can also check our result for this question. If both values are equal to 100, then it is correct for us, and this question is very, very important for your upcoming examination, students. Okay, take a screenshot just now, and after that next question. Okay, students. Now we discuss another important question. Calculate the mole fraction calculate the mole fraction. Very important question, students. Mole fraction of benzene. Mole fraction of benzene in in solution, benzene in solution containing containing 30% by mass in CCl4. This is about question. This question is based on mole fraction. Very important question for student your upcoming examination 2026. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in CCl4. 30%. That means 30 gram in 100 gram of solution. Okay. This means, okay. Next, how to solve this question? We can see carefully. Okay. 400 gram of 400 gram of solution, 400 gram of solution, mass of benzene, mass of benzene in solution equal to 30 gram. This is given in your question. Okay, students. Now, mass of carbon tetrachloride, mass of carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Mass of carbon tetrachloride means 30 gram benzene and left and used 70 gram because this is a 100 gram of solution. Okay. Percentage means 100. Okay, students. So in 100 30 grams benzene, so mass of carbon tetrachloride means 70 gram in this solution, mass of CCl4. Okay. So 100 minus 30 equal to 70. This is about mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride in this solution. Okay, students. Okay. Next, now we calculate molar mass of benzene and molar mass of CCl4. Molar mass of benzene. Benzene represented by the molecular formula C6H6. How to calculate molar mass? Let's see. Here 6 so 6 into atomic mass of carbon 12. Okay. Plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. Okay. So 12 6 ja 72 plus 6 1 ja 6 78 gram. Okay. This is about molar mass of benzene. Okay. Next, this unit is 78 gram per mole. Okay, students. This is about molar mass of benzene. Now, similarly, molar mass of CCl4. mass of CCl4. Similarly, multiplication of carbon 1 here into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus multiplication of CCl4 into atomic mass of Cl. Here atomic mass in mole fraction, in fraction value, because this is 35.5. Now simplify. 12 plus 0 2 4 5 20 तो 22 2 12 14 142.02. तो ये हो गया आपका 154 154.0 ग्राम पर मोल. This is about molar mass of CCl4 or this is about molar mass of benzene. Now calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution. Now we calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution. How to calculate mole fraction? Here benzene means solute. So how to calculate mole fraction of solute? Here let's see carefully. Mole fraction of solute, that means benzene, XC6S6 equal to moles of benzene. This is about mole fraction of benzene. The mole fraction of solute. This is about mole fraction of benzene. And moles of benzene plus moles of CCl4. First of all we discuss. Now students, we calculate moles from this input data. Okay, first of all we calculate moles from this input data. How to calculate moles? Moles of benzene equal to molar mass of benzene. Okay, molar mass of benzene, amount of benzene in grams upon molar mass of benzene. Okay, this is about number of moles of benzene. Okay, amount of benzene, that means mass of benzene. Today is very hot day, students. Today hotness is very here. So mass of benzene upon molar mass of benzene. So mass of benzene 30 grams. Okay, upon molar mass of benzene. This is about molar mass of benzene 78 gram. This is solved. 30 gram upon 78 gram. This is 0.38 mole. Okay students, this is about the mole of benzene. Now also calculate the moles of CCl4. Moles of CCl4. Similarly, mass of CCl4, this is 70 grams. Okay, molar mass of CCl4, this is 154 grams. Okay, now this is solved and calculate. This is solved and this is the 0.38 0.45. This is about the moles of CCl4. Now, mole fraction of solute, calculate. Mole fraction of benzene equal to moles of benzene. This is 0.38 moles upon moles of benzene 0.38 plus moles of CCl4. This is 0.45. Now calculate this value and find out the answer. Now calculate this value. This is about 0.45. 0.45 after solve this value. This is the mole fraction of benzene. Now also calculate mole fraction of CCl4 by a very important short term. This is about here mole fraction of solution equal to 1. Okay students, this is about the mole fraction of solution equal to 1. Now we calculate the mole fraction of solute, then this value divided from 1, then calculate the mole fraction of solvent. Okay, the mole fraction of CCl4, 1.00 minus 0.45. This is 0.55. Answer. This is a very important question on the basis of mole fraction, or this is about mole fraction calculation in this question. Okay students, clear? Now take a screenshot. Next question. Okay students, now let's see another important numericals. What is the next question? Calculate the molarity. Okay, today very hotness here. Calculate the molarity of 30 gram of carbon, 30 gram of cobalt nitrate. This is the formula of cobalt nitrate into 6H2 hexahydrate. 6H2 hexahydrate in 4.3 liter of 4.3 liter of solution. This is very important question for your upcoming examination students, or this question also in previous 2023 CBSE board examination. This is a very important question. Also in CPMT 2006. This is a very important question students. How to solve this question? Okay, now let's see carefully how to solve this question. Solution. First of all, we read question carefully. Calculate the molarity of 30 gram What means molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That is molarity. Okay, moles per liter. Its unit. Okay, or molarity depends on temperature value. That means molarity vary depends on temperature fluctuation also, but molarity does not depends on temperature fluctuation. Very important difference between both of these, and this difference also sometime also known in very important competitive examination in previous years. Okay students, now how to see calculate this question. Okay, first of all calculate molecular mass of cobalt nitrate hexahydrate. Okay, how to calculate molecular mass? We previously discussed with all of you how to calculate molecular mass. Now calculate molecular mass. The atomic mass of cobalt 58.7 plus, okay students, 2 whole square of nitrate, okay, 2 into N14 plus 3 into O16. Okay, this is also discuss explain here. Okay, 1 into 14 plus 3 into 16 plus 6 into 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. This is about molecular mass of cobalt nitrate hexahydrate. Now solve this equation. 58.7 plus 14 plus 16 into 3 48. तो ये हो गया आपका कितना हुआ 14 plus 48, तो ये हो गया आपका 58 62 और 62 इंटू 160 में 120 और 2 इंटू 4 124. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट प्लस 2 1 जा 2 प्लस 16 1 जा 16 18 और 6 108. Now solve this equation. 232 और 240 290 290.7. This is about molecular mass gram per mole. This is about molecular mass of cobalt nitrate. Very important but leastly difficult here. Okay, now this is molecular mass of cobalt nitrate. Now calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of cobalt nitrate into hexahydrate. Student, how to calculate number of moles? How to calculate number of moles? We discussed in previously mass of solute upon molar mass. Okay. Now calculate mass of solute here 30 gram. This is the mass of solute, and molecular mass calculate previously. Okay. Now put the value. 30 gram upon 290.7 gram per mole. Okay, this is about number of moles. Now we simplify this equation. This is 0.103 moles. These are the moles of cobalt nitrate. Now simply What is the calculation formula for molarity? Number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solute, but upon solution volume in liter. Okay. Molarity equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. This is about molarity. Now put the value in here. Number of moles of solute, find out here, 0.103. Okay. Volume of solution in liter, 4.3. This is given in question. 4.3. Now simplify the following relation. This is 0.024. This is answer about it. So this is very important question for your upcoming examination also. Students, let's see and take a screenshot. Okay students, so students, now your numerical basis on concentration steps of solution about chapter number 1 solution finished. Today class stop here now, or I am S.C. Bhardwaj from YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Bhardwaj Teaching Institute. Students, आप इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। इस चैनल पे स्टूडेंट्स आपको बायोलॉजी और केमिस्ट्री क्लास 12, 11 यूपी एंड सीबीएसई बोर्ड का कंप्लीट कोर्स कराया जाएगा, और प्रत्येक चैप्टर का स्टूडेंट्स एवरी चैप्टर एवरी टॉपिक आपको बताया जाएगा, समझाया जाएगा, सभी न्यूमेरिकल्स बताए जाएंगे, और वो भी आपको बिल्कुल सिंप्लीफाइड हियर आपने देखा भी, जैसा मैंने आपको सिखाया बिल्कुल सिंपल वे में आपको बताया जाएगा, बिल्कुल ईजी मेथड में। और स्टूडेंट, इस चैनल की सबसे बड़ी खासियत आपको ये मिलेगी, जो इसका फीचर मेन फीचर है, इस चैनल पे आपसे कोई भी पेमेंट नहीं लिया जाएगा। ये चैनल केवल ऐसे बच्चों के लिए है जो बच्चे फीस देने में असमर्थ होते हैं, या ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनका कोचिंग संस्थान उनके घरों से काफ़ी दूर है, या वे सभी बच्चे जो कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, पढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट, हमारा ये चैनल कॉस्ट ऑफ फ्री है। किसी भी बच्चे से किसी भी वे में, जैसे कि आपसे मेंबरशिप के वे में कुछ फीस ली जाती है, कुछ एनुअल चार्ज लिए जाते हैं, कुछ लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप के चार्ज लिए जाते हैं, तो ऐसा आपको यहाँ कुछ नहीं देता। बस आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल, और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना है, लाइक। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। कल इसी सीरीज में आपको सोल्यूबिलिटी टॉपिक पढ़ाया जाएगा, जिसमें हेनरी लॉ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।